Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we are going to study cropping pattern in India. What is cropping pattern? The physical and cultural diversity in India is reflected in its agricultural practices and cropping patterns. The same physical and cultural diversity is also seen in its agricultural practices as well as in cropping patterns. India has three cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif, and Jayad. First of all, we'll talk about Rabi. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December. In which month? From October to December. Rabi crops are sown from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. From winter to summer. What is the season for Rabi crops? Winter to summer. Winter, October to December, and harvested in summer season from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. So, most important Rabi crop is wheat, and when it is sown from October to December, harvesting season, summer season from April to June. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states from the north and the northwestern parts, such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh, are important for the production of wheat and other Rabi crops. So, if you are asked in your examinations, what are the main areas of wheat production, Rabi crop production? So, what will you write? The north and northwestern parts, such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, these are important places for the production of wheat and other Rabi crops. What are the other Rabi crops? Mustard. However, the success of Green Revolution, it is not concentrated in any particular area. However, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of the above mentioned Rabi crops. Nowadays, it is not concentrated at those particular areas, it is growing in other areas as well. For example, Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan. Now we'll talk about Kharif. What are the crops which we sow in Kharif? What is the season of Kharif? Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon. When there is onset of monsoon, just after Rabi crop, in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September, October. So basically, the onset season, the starting season is July, August, and harvesting season September, October, before the sowing season of Rabi crop. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, that is also known as arhar, moong, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. So, what are important kharif crops? Most important, paddy, rice, maize, ज्वार, bajra, tur, moong, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. These are kharif crops. Some of the most important rice growing regions are, what are the most important rice growing regions in India? Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra. Particularly the Konkan coast, where along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. These are important places where rice is produced on a large scale. So, most important rice growing areas are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast, along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Not only that, in some special states like Assam, West Bengal, and Orissa, three crops are grown in a year. Three paddy crops are grown in a single year. And what are these called? Os, Aman, and Boro. So, in a single year, three crops are sown and harvested. Furthermore, we'll talk about Jayad, the third crop. What is the sowing season? What is the season of Jayad? In between the Rabi and Kharif season, when there is the end of Rabi season and start of Kharif season. In between there comes Jayad, hardly for 2 months. And it is basically vegetable season. During the summer months known as Jayad season. Some of the crops produced during Jayad are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetable and fodder crops. I told you this is basically known for vegetable and fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, along with fodder crops. This season is also very famous for fodder crops, for growing fodder for animals. Sugarcane is also sown in the same period of time and it takes almost a year to grow. Now, major crops which are grown in India. What are the major crops of India? Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, jute, etc. These are major crops which are sown in India, which are produced in India, which are grown in India. And in this video, we'll talk only one out of it, most important staple crop of India. Rice. What is this staple crop? I am talking about rice. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Most of the people live in India because of rice. Most of the people can satisfy their belly because of most of the people in India eat rice as their daily meal, especially southern states. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. We are the second largest producer of rice, and at first comes China. China is also known as bowl of rice. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degree centigrade and high humidity with annual rainfall over 100 centimeter. So what are such requirements? Climatic requirements. What are the climatic requirements for kharif crop, especially rice? What are the climatic requirements? Temperature above 25 degree centigrade. What is the temperature required? Above 25 degree centigrade. And high humidity. Humidity must be very high, along with annual rainfall over 100 centimeter. A good rainfall is also required for rice cultivation. In other words, you can say it is a rain crop. That is why it is grown in rainy season. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Where there is less rainfall, that is why I said it is rain crop. Where there is less rainfall, it is grown with the help of irrigation. There is requirement of irrigation. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas, and the deltaic regions. Here it is regions. Here it is written, spelling is wrong. Region, regions. So rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas, and deltaic regions. In the picture you can see the starting of rice crop. Paddy, the nursery of paddy is there in the field. You can see the nursery is shown here in field, and in another picture, that is the next picture, you can see paddy is ready to be harvested. So these two picture, first one starting how it is sown, and then after some time how does it look like, how does paddy look like when it is ready to harvest. In next map we'll look at the major rice growing areas. What are the major rice growing areas? If you notice, I have told you rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India. If you look at in the map, coastal areas and the deltaic regions. If we come down, coastal areas. So these green colored sectors are major rice grown areas. Coastal areas, deltaic regions, north and northeastern India. These are major producer of rice. Some minor producers are also there. If you look at in the map, this area, this is minor producer of rice in India. That's all in this video. We'll talk about wheat and other crops in next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.